What a beautiful and rare Mini we've got here, just in direct from the last owner, who's owned it since 2012. Incredibly low mileage car, many factory options. Let's tell you about it. So it's a Mini Clubman Cooper, finished in hot chocolate metallic, with £4,340 worth of factory fitted options and only 49,000 miles on the clock. 14 service stamps in the book, and it is in beautiful condition all round. Good sized boot, both opening doors at the back. You've got rear parking sensors, just a little mark down the bumper. It's a 2008 on an '08 plate. A bit older than we normally retail, but it is in such a lovely condition. We think it'll make a great car for somebody. Additional storage under there. All the toolkit there complete. Rear luggage cover, folding rear seats. The nice two-tone silver and brown. Beautiful contrast. It's got the upgraded alloy wheels. All these in beautiful condition. We've not had none of these refurbished. This is how the cars come in. Good tyres all the way around. We'll just replace the rear brake discs. It's got rear privacy glass, silver mirror caps. Again, a close up of the near side front wheel. The bodywork is beautiful all the way around. Just the odd mark which you would expect for its age and mileage, but overall very clean, tidy all round for a 2008 car. So as I've actually got the silver stripes to match the roof and the mirror caps. And this is why we do a very close-up video of every single car we sell. Full transparency. We have nothing to hide. It saves wasted journey for customers. Again, the wheels very good condition, just the odd mark as I mentioned, but no major chunks out of any of those. As I mentioned, we've replaced the rear brake discs and pads. And again, the final tyre, plenty of tread there. Bit quirky these Clubmans, because you've got the two doors on one side and nothing on the near side. So the driver's door, all again in beautiful condition, electric mirrors, plenty of storage there, and of course this little door opens on this side here to let you into the back. Just get out of the sun there a little bit there. Again, the upholstery is in beautiful condition inside, very well looked after. Non-smoker's car, no nasty smells in the vehicle. And again, the driver's seat, again you've got the part leather upholstery, which is an option on the vehicle. Again, in very good condition. Bear in mind it's a 2012 car. All the dash trim, great condition. Next service not due till November 2024 or 14,000 miles from now. And there's the mileage, just 49,405. 2008 car, 49,405. Good sound system on the vehicle. All control from that little module there. So tuner, CD, aux input, CD player there. And again, this has got the climate control, which again was an upgrade. Control temperatures there, switches there for the electric windows and fog lights. 6-speed manual gearbox. Again, all lovely and clean inside. Not been abused. So 2008, 49,000 miles, lots of service history. What a lovely car for the money. We have two sets of keys, complete book pack, full HPR checked and clear. You can click and reserve this car 24/7 direct off our website, or just give us a call if you want it and reserve it over the phone. Our phone number is 01782 822 700. Read about our raving fans reviews and understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We make buying and selling cars a simple, hassle-free process, and we do the videos to show you we have nothing to hide, full transparency, even on a vehicle this age. We don't believe in wasting customers' time travelling around with misdescribed cars. Any further information, please just give me a call on 01782 822 700. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997, and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition, and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you, give us a call 01782 822 700.